Is your Optus SIM card not working? The most common causes are improper insertion, dirty contacts, or activation issues. First, power off your device. Use a SIM eject tool or paperclip to remove the SIM card. Inspect the metal contacts. Are they dusty or dirty? Gently clean them with a soft, dry cloth or a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol at 70% concentration. Ensure the SIM card is properly aligned in the tray and firmly reinserted. Power on your device and check if the SIM is now detected. If not, move to the next section for activation checks. If cleaning and reinserting didn't work, the issue might be activation related. Verify your SIM card is activated via the Optus app or website. You'll need the ICCID number found on the SIM card packaging. Also, confirm your phone is unlocked and compatible with Optus's network frequencies, like 700 MHz for rural areas. If using a physical SIM, contact Optus support for a replacement. It's often free under warranty. For eSIM users, ensure your device is compatible and activation is completed over the air. Remember, if problems persist, avoid DIY fixes that could void your warranty and seek professional help from Optus. Regular cleaning annually can extend SIM lifespan by 20 to 30%.